Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. One of the uniqueness of Nigeria, and most often than not seen then before now as the strength of Nigeria, is the unity in diversity. Right now it seems to be the weakness and the crack and the bone of contention in Nigeria as we speak. Don't forget that there have been so much insecurity going on, not just in the northern part of Nigeria but also in the southern part, and it is beginning to take its toll over a lot of things, especially the political atmosphere. As we speak, lawmakers are talking and Ndigbo are getting really very vexed over some very indicting and sensitive statement made by a lawmaker, and it looks as if it is more tribal and more ethnic than one would easily have assumed. Before we go into the newspaper to find out what is actually vexing Ndigbos right now, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, Ohaneze Ndigbo has actually condemned the statement made by Senator Bulkachuwa that the people of Southeast deserves all it's getting, eliminations and all that. The National Publicity Secretary of the Ohaneze Ndigbo, Chidozie Alex Obonaya, in a statement made available to journalists in Enugu on Sunday, described such statement as caustic and inflammatory. He said Bulkachuwa, who is the chairman of the Senate Committee on Foreign Affairs and husband of the President, Court of Appeal Justice Zainab Bulkachuwa, was quoted while appearing on a national television as saying that Ndigbo in Nigeria deserves all the elimination because, in his words, I quote, the Southeast harbors criminals, the Southeast harbors rebels and arsonists. He said rather than the Igbos getting the presidency, being agitated for by their people, what they deserve is elimination from Nigeria. My God, it is shocking and unbelievable that the senator and the chairman of a strategic committee in the Senate Foreign Affairs could make such an incendiary attack against Ndigbo people without any provocation whatsoever. The Igbo demand for the presidency of Nigeria is within their right under the laws of the land. They have not breached any section of the Constitution by making such demands. It is therefore gross, gratuitous insult for Senator Bulkachuwa to raise such unguarded invectives against a major region in the country. I have tried to obtain some internet facts on Bulkachuwa. The only significant information on him is that on June 10, 2020, his constituency in Bauchi commenced a recall process on him, and no more, he said. Ohaneze Ndigbo condemns Bulkachuwa unreservedly for spewing such hate speech on a major Nigerian ethnic. It is highly inconceivable that a senator and a husband of a highly placed judicial officer, Justice Zainab Bulkachuwa, would harbor such wish for a significant section of Nigeria. This goes to show clearly the wicked mindset of some people in power who have no other objective but to turn the country into a feud in the pursuit of hidden ethno-religious agenda. While Nigerians are united against the bandits that physically abduct, torture, maim, and what sometimes worse of harm is caused by incendiary rhetoric as exposed by the Bulkachuwas in high places. Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide demands an unreserved apology and restitution from Bulkachuwa for this unwarranted assault. We also call on the Senate President, Dr. Ahmed Ibrahim Lawal, to reprimand Bulkachuwa publicly as a deterrent to others who do not understand the oath of office and allegiance to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. For purpose of clarity, a Nigerian senator must be seen at all times to protect the interest and corporate existence of Nigeria. I doubt if we can build a truly united country with such irresponsible conduct and legislative rascality by the likes of Bulkachuwa Obonayas. Well, this was actually gotten from Punch newspaper, from the stable of Punch, and I think the Sun has something similar to this too. And I guess Punch, being a very reliable newspaper, must have done their mathematics, their homework. But this is also a letter, media release made by Ohaneze Ndigbo in Nugu branch. I was not privileged to see that video. I don't know about their interview. But a lot of Nigerians are saying they've seen the video. I for once have not seen the video, so I wouldn't. I may not be in the right frame of mind to, speak for or against. Okay, well, let's just generally feel the pulse of Nigerians. For those who have seen it, some have been talking against it, but I, I almost wouldn't. It's almost unbelievable that a sitting senator will say that. I would, it's unbelievable, honestly, that the sitting senator would, say that. Maybe it was quoted out of context. I wouldn't know. I would, do us the honors of, fetching out that video so that we can hear for ourselves. But Ohaneze Ndigbo is actually reacting to the video they heard. Ohaneze Ndigbo, the Enugu branch, is reacting to the video they heard. And it's, if based on what they are quoting is what is said, then oh my God, it's really a very sad one. But I have not seen the video. Would actually do us the honors of, hearing that. But let's feel the pulse of Nigerians. This one here is saying, noise making Ohaneze, keep demanding for apologies while your youth are systematically neutralized by Nigerian government. Okay, after which they will humiliate all of you so-called Ohaneze with any resistance. You and your governors. Okay, it's a bit difficult to hear exactly what it's saying. This one here is saying, for how long will he be there? Maybe 2 years more, I don't know. This one here is saying, God, please give Ohaneze. Okay, I'll take that again. He said, God, please give Ohaneze the sense to realize that Nigeria is no longer one, so to stop demanding for unreserved apologies and do the needful. This one here is saying, I love God and how he is, I don't know, oh my God. This one here is saying, hate begets hate. You are also not get. Honestly, these guys are not writing anything reasonable here. This one here says, we are waiting for presidency. Whew, so much. Honestly, this is. I'm short of words. But for Ohaneze Ndigbo to say what they said, I don't know where they got the video from, honestly, because they actually said the video was monitored online. They never mentioned the video, where it's gotten from. I don't, honestly, I don't see this a sitting senator saying that. Don't forget, in the same house, it could be true because I have not seen the video. They are I'm only reacting based on the fact that Ohaneze Ndigbo reacted to the video they saw online about what the citizen senator said. I have not seen the video, and I'm sure most Nigerians haven't seen this video, because I'm just looking at it. If it's true, I know that we have Senate President Lawan, and sometimes they will say such senators as